Hi guys, today I'm finally gonna unbox the Anvil brewing system. It's a foundry all-grain brewing system. It's 18 gallons, brand new. I bought it like 3 months ago. I never had the time to unbox this thing. And this is a great brewing system. It's electric. For those who do most of the time step mashing, this is ideal for you. So I gotta say, the company's not paying me for that. I bought it with my own money because I like the product, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it so you guys can see exactly what's in this box, you know. So here we go. So first of all, I read a review about this before making the move to purchase it. This is a false bottom. It has been designed in a different way that is very cool and interesting. So we'll get to that in a minute. So let me open what is in here. Box is well protected. Well, this is also part of the false bottom, I believe. And let's see. Whoa. What do we got here? The coolest thing about this device is that you can brew and distill with it as well. So it's an all-in-one product. Very interesting. All right, let's take this out. It's kind of heavy. Let's remove this plastic here and probably take it piece by piece out. Let's see what's in here. This is the cover of that. Put that here. And we have a cooling system. And this is awesome. All right. It's a heat exchange that goes into the work, and then one pipe gets connected here. Cold water comes in, and then hot water will come out. That's pretty cool. Put it aside, and let's see what's in here. All right, I told you this is an all-grain system, so you can mash. You can mash at least 10 or 20 pounds of grain, and lift it up, and then put it on top of it. This is interesting. It's pretty cool. All right, it's donuts. What is in here? This is a couple of pieces, and oh wow, come with everything. Come with all the hoses for the heat exchange and everything else. All right, pretty cool. Let's move forward. And we're working in a tight space here, so very tight. So let me take this out. And here we are. Here we go. It's a little heavier. Whoa. All right. Told you this is electric, and this is a control here, allow you to step mash, to go from 150 to 175 or so, and be able to extract all the sugar from all the grains that you're brewing. This is gonna allow me to go pretty fast when I'm making a small batch. It'll be very interesting. So this is the connection. So they say that there's a wire that can help you, you know, modify that. So then we have everything else here. The hoses, I guess the pump is also here, and it's quite interesting. So nothing else. So everything's going back into the batch. And over outside, we'll recycle. So listen, thanks for watching. So I'm gonna brew a batch with this in the next few days, and you get to see how this thing works, and how we mash, and how we come out, and how we brew with the Anvil brewing system. This is the new model. It take up to 18 gallons. Thanks for watching.